Hey, it's Mondo with Hexagon. Just wanted to reach out to you. This weekend I'm in Corpus Christi, about to head back to Houston, and behind me is a beautiful structure called the Harbor Bridge. Now, some people say beautiful. Well, this thing has been here since 1959. 1959, it was created by the Wisconsin Iron Company, I believe. They built it and then they painted it black. And not only that, then they put some grease all over it. Can you imagine putting grease and painting this thing back in 1959 so that it wouldn't corrode? Well, just think about it. Someone had to engineer it. Someone had to put it together, and they engineered it correctly. This thing has been through hurricane after hurricane after hurricane, after winter, summer, and the summers are hot here. And so just something to think about. As a structural engineer, you need some kind of software solution that can help you build something that can last the test of time. Now, in 1959, computers weren't around that long, 1959. But nowadays, we have software solutions for structural engineers just like you that are watching this video, and it's something called it's called GT-STRUDL. GT-STRUDL is a structural program specifically for structural engineers. So if you ever are in Corpus Christi, come by here, take a look at the Harbor Bridge, and just get underneath here and just like, wow, they built this in 1959. Right now, there's another bridge that's about to that's going to take the place of this bridge, and they're going to destroy this bridge and then make the other one. The nether bridge is going to be like the other bridge can go over this bridge. So just something I wanted to show you. If you're ever in Corpus, come by, take a look at it before it gets destroyed, take a picture of it, and just take a look. Man, this thing was built in 1959 by structural engineers that knew what they were doing because it is still here. Awesome. Hey, talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.